Morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Love 500. And welcome back to a little review I'm going to do today. I've just bought this. I got it on eBay. I'd seen it on somebody else's channel. I don't know why my voice went all high then. I saw it on somebody else's channel. And I felt that I needed a better battery charger. So this one does conditioning as well. A lot of battery chargers, if a battery is completely dead as a doornail, it won't charge them. So this type of charger, a conditioning charger, as well as charging the battery, will also condition it and can bring dead batteries back to life. So I had a look on Amazon. They were, I think, £79 on Amazon, something like that. Thought, let's have a look on eBay. So I found one on eBay for £69. So I thought, right, that's a little bit cheaper, we'll buy that. I bought it. 2 days later, I got a message from the seller saying, sorry, we're out of stock. We was expecting the delivery, but blaming Brexit, our delivery's been delayed. We might not get it for a couple of weeks, so I cancelled it, got a refund. Found someone else, 40 quid, £40. It's an Amazon return. It's a grade A, unused Amazon return. I got it for 40 quid. So that's half the price of what it was on Amazon, which is fantastic. It does 6 volt and 12 volt batteries, as you can see on the box. Nico Genius, there are various incarnations of the Noco Genius. This is the 5. This is the one that I saw on somebody else's channel, so I thought I'd give it a go. It's quite compact. We have this battery down here, which is a new battery, which came out of one of my projects, which is completely dead as a doornail. I put my conventional charger on it, and I'll see if I can find the footage and show you, but the needle on the charger was bouncing up and down. It would be okay for a couple of minutes and then it would start bouncing up and down. And it was on charge for several hours and there's nothing in it. It's the battery charge indicator thing is showing like 0 power in it. So I've contacted the company Tainer that I bought it from, and they have told me to send it back. But they also said please check it properly to make sure it is completely dead, because 50% of the batteries we get back are okay, they just need charging. So now I've got this charger, we'll go through it and see what it's like. So I'm going to unpack it and then we'll have a quick look and see what it looks like. Right, let's get it open. So it's all packed, still in the shrink wrap, which has been opened, as you can see. So it's obviously been used, or at least taken out of the box. But it looks the part. It's all packed back in nicely. Let's see if it's even been taken out of the box. Possibly not. But it's quite heavy, as battery chargers do tend to be. I suppose they've got a big transformer in them, haven't they? Let's get rid of all the packaging out of the way. So here it is. This is it. Noco Genius 5. I think it's got mode, which I don't really know what the mode does. We've got lots of various straps and different connectors here. So what's it got on the end of there? Oh, I see, it's got a little plug thing, so you can even, if these things break, you can even get replacements for them. So let's take that off. So that plugs into the end of that. Let's take that off. So that plugs into there. I guess you can get different attachments for different types of batteries maybe. It's all quite sturdy and feels very well made, I have to say. These little plastic things get on your nerves. So I'm going to plug this in to the mains and then we'll put it on the battery. Oops. I'm not going to read the instructions, I'm a bloke, we don't read instructions. We just try things. Right, so let's get it plugged in, connected up to the battery, and we'll be back. Right, it's plugged into the mains. So it auto senses this. So I've selected AGM battery, which is what it is. It's all connected up and it's flashing like that. So that looks like a pulse charge. So I don't know if it automatically comes up repair there or what this does. I should read the manual, but I'm about to go to work. So I'm going to leave this on, leave it charging, and we'll come back tomorrow morning and have a look and see where it's got to. So hopefully we'll come back in the morning and it'll be right up to green. I'll have a look when I get home from work later, but hopefully it will be up to the end and it will have done its job. But we'll see. And then we can check the battery and see what sort of voltage we got out of it. So fingers crossed this does the job. Action. This is almost 24 hours later. I did actually take it off charge this morning. When I got home, when I came out this morning, it was on the last LED, which means it was 100% charged. So what I did is I got my little cheap battery meter from Lidl's, I think it was. And we will put, which one's plus? Can't see in this light. That one. Put that on there. No, plus first. That's right. Put that on there. As you can see there, it's showing fully charged. So what we will do is we'll get that back into Bluey, and we will see if it is indeed fully charged. And then what we'll also do is put it on this pulse charge. So what you do when it's plugged in and you connect it up, you press and hold the mode button for 3 seconds and it will put it into the repair state. There's also another one which I can't remember, which you hold it for 5 seconds. I think that's to swap over to 6 volt. But so far this has charged up what my ordinary battery charger wouldn't charge at all. So it does the job. And of course it does this repair. And I'm sure I have thrown batteries away in the past that have been okay, they just needed a repair. Hopefully this, especially getting it for 40 quid, will do the trick. So that's the Nico Genius 5. So once we've got it back in the car, the battery that is, and we see if it is still holding the charge, we'll come back and I think we're going to rate this a success, but we'll see in a sec. So we've now got the Nico Genius 5 on the wall. It comes with this little strap that you screw to the wall, and you can then strap it down. The leads, as you saw before, are removable, so you don't have to have them permanently connected. So they're in a drawer out the way. And I've just got another car where the battery was completely dead as a doornail. It wouldn't jump using a jump pack, and it wouldn't jump start at all. So luckily I had another battery which I put in it and the car started straight away. So I don't know if it's just completely flat or whether it's damaged, but what we're going to do is we're going to hook it up, and I think you have to hold I haven't got the instructions to hand, but or have I? No, I haven't. But what you have to do is you have to switch it on, press and hold the mode button, and it goes into repair mode, and then that will do the reconditioning stroke repair. So I'm going to give that a try, see if it works. So I've hooked it up to my cheap and cheerful battery tester, and it's not even registering, as you can see. So let's get it on charge. Alright, so we've got the ends here, so just a matter of plugging these in. I don't know why they do this, whether you can get different attachments or not, I don't know. So we'll take that off the battery, and then we'll put the things on, and then we will plug it in. I have to unplug this first. I've got enough plug sockets here. So we've plugged that in. And then what I believe we have to do is, it says it's an AGM battery, which it isn't actually. It's a ordinary 12 volt. And then we have to hold it down for 3 seconds. It's gone to 6 volt. Volt repair. There you go. You got the light flashing on it now. Might have been 5 seconds. So you got that red light flashing there now, which says repair. So then you leave that on. I will leave that on all day and probably overnight, and then at some point the display will come up here and it will show fully charged. That's assuming it's not a completely duff battery. So that's the Noco. I actually used it on a completely duff battery. I mean, we don't even know that this battery is duff. I could have just tried to charge it normally. It's the small battery, because this is a 2010 car that it's come off of, which hasn't got a stop start, so it's only a small battery. I've never heard of Raptor batteries. I can only assume it's probably a cheap battery, but I don't know. I'll Google them and see who they are, what they are, and so on and so forth. But yeah, so that's the Nico Genius 5. It seems like a really good charger. It's got lots of features. It would have repaired batteries that in the past I've thrown away, ones that wouldn't hold a charge. So that's it. As I say, this is not a sponsored ad by them. It's not a sponsored ad by anybody. This is just me and my experience with this charger. So at the moment, this is only the second battery I've charged with it, but from what I've seen at the moment, it's a great bit of kit. Compact, lots of features, and will bring batteries back to life. That's the Noco Genius 5. So thanks for watching this review. I hope it was interesting and it might encourage you to buy this bit of kit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one.